Guys, this is Redmi A3 auto recovery fixed. Here's DM on the number on the screen. Get your file and fix your phone A3 Redmi A3. So I just flashed and showing you this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe and also you share this video. Also like, also comment for your file, WhatsApp for your file to fix it. To fix.